people brain work. You can make things just like people made nigger mean whatever they want. They took it in power. I can make America great again mean whatever I want it to mean. You want me to do it, Blue? Check this out.
Yeah, let's hear it.
Was Garvey great?
Garvey was great.
Make America great again then. Was Malcolm great?
Malcolm was great.
Make America great again. Was there a time where 80% of the black households had a man in the house?
There was a time.
All right, we'll make America great again. Was there a time where black people owned more land and more businesses?
Absolutely.
Okay, well then make America great again. Was there a time where black people actually did for self in America?
They had banks.
Oh, okay. We'll make America great again. Was Black Wall Street in America?
Last time I checked.
Okay, we'll make America great again. Was Rosewood in America?
I believe so.
We'll make America great again. Is Reginald Lewis was a black billionaire from America?
Baltimore, the shithole.
We'll make America great again. So what are y'all talking about? Because there is clearly a decline in black greatness. And let's be clear, singing fucking songs is not black excellence at this point. That shit is played out. Was Langston Hughes from Harlem?
Hey.
Okay, we'll make America great again.
He was. What's my guy name? James Baldwin.
Make America great again. Paul Robeson. Make America great again. Mary Bethune-Cookman. Make America great again. Mary Allen Pleasant. Make America great again. Maggie Walker. Make America great again. You know what? Goddamn, I ain't seen a track star like FloJo in hella long. Make America great again. Oh, okay. See, that's too much accountability though, because all those people that I named was great black people. And the black people now that's living cannot outdo those people. Right. What nigga right now can outdo Elijah Muhammad? Not nan one, nobody.
It's not gonna happen. Not in this lifetime. So there needs to be a resurgence of greatness in America, in particular in Black America, but maybe in all of America.